Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you could be notified every time I'm on YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a crafty DIY video after such a long time. मैं बहुत टाइम से एक DIY वीडियो करना चाह रही थी but it was not happening. Anyway, so in this video I am creating a wall hanging using this wooden basket जो कि मेरे पास बहुत टाइम से रखी थी and I was not discarding it क्योंकि मुझे इसमें DIY करना था. So I was just thinking what can I do with this basket, and this idea struck my mind where I would be painting it all through using pastel color or any light shade, and then I'm gonna stick some flowers and leaves around it, and at the end I'm going to create a web using a woolen yarn or any thread. It is going to look amazing. I'm really excited to create this piece. So let's move ahead, but before that, if you're new to my channel, you know what you have to do. You need to subscribe to my channel and hit on that bell button so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get started.
I'll first clean it off. ये बहुत गंदा हो रहा था, so I'm cleaning it using the same brush. Now I'll start painting. It is Berger oil paint. Since I want the wall hanging to be in the neutral shade and the color was not readily available in the market, so I get it prepared from a paint shop using computerized technique. Now I'll give it a second coat. I don't know how long will it take to dry, so I will just keep it for a day. Now it's time to decorate it and make it look fancy. These flowers and leaves are lying around with me from quite some time, so I'm going to use them here. I will quickly paste them on the sides of the baskets. It is already looking beautiful, isn't it? Now I'm gonna write this letter grateful using this string. I'm taking this one. You can also take wire or craft pipe cleaners or just wool yarn braids. So I'm gonna write this letter using it on the blank area in between. Now, with the help of this brown woolen yarn, I'm going to create a web. I've learned this technique from a video. I'll provide a link to it in the description box below. In this video, I really don't want to include this technique because it is gonna make this video longer. So I skipped that part, but you can learn it through this link which I am adding in the description box. So here is the final piece. I am happy with how it turned out. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next one. Till then, bye bye.